Hey guys, welcome back to WebDevMentors YouTube channel, and you're watching JavaScript series for beginners. Well, in this video we're going to see about operators in JavaScript. Not all the operators, but the operators that you can use in order to do some mathematical calculations and assignments and also concatenations. Well, the concatenation is going to be on the next video, so don't try to expect that in here. Now, let me actually delete this big JSON, which we've seen in the previous video. Now, I'm going to create one more number in here. Let number 2 is equal to 20. Now we're going to perform various mathematical operations between these two numbers. So let's start with the operator plus. Okay, so alert number plus alert number 2. Now let's save it, run it. 30.4. So this is actually doing the sum. So let's press OK, go back to it. Yeah, it's, if you have already seen programming and done programming, then this is the worst part. Minus, now it does the regular stuff. It's going to subtract the value. Minus 9.6 because 10.4 minus 20 will obviously give this, because the value on the right side is bigger than the value on the left side. So obviously. So now multiplication, star, refresh, you can see 208. Next is divide, but I'm not going to do the mistake in here. Refresh, 1.923076923076923. Oh my god, that's a bad number. Let's actually change it to some proper number in here. So let's put 100. Oh, yep. Refresh, you can see 2 as the value in here. So we've seen addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. Now you can club them to form something more complex. So what will this do? 22 divided by 10 will give you 2.2. See, 2.2. Now you can also divide it by 2 in here. Let's say, oh I'm sorry about that. Sublime is a little bit more cautious than me. Refresh, you can see 4.4 because 22 divided by 5 is 4.4. What else? What else we can do with the operators? We can do some increments. So let's actually do plus plus. What happens if I run this? 20, but it's not affecting because I'm doing an post increment. So let's actually do pre increment plus plus. 21 is there. So what happens to post increment? Let's actually this is not going to work, so let's actually alert number 2 plus plus. Now what the post increment does is that at this line the value will be 20, and once this line is compiled, then it will add 1, that is increment the value of this variable to the next line. So technically your increment will happen on that line, but the value will be changed on the second line, the next line. So let's actually run it. You can see 21 is there. So that's the difference between pre-incrementing and post-incrementing. And there is decrement as well. So now it should be 19. Got it? So what happens if I add the minus minus before a variable? Now when I run it, you can see 19 still there because it is getting affected in here. So it doesn't matter. It's just going to be the same value in the next line. So if you do minus minus in here, then it'll be 19 on that line, but on the 18 on the line as well. So I'm sorry, I'm just doing something wrong in here. So I have to be saying that minus minus. It will not affect the value on that line, but it will affect the value on this next line, the following line. So 19, but the actual value of your, so how to actually check it? Now, this is one way, console, using the console in order to get the value. So what is the alert underscore number 2, isn't it? See that? The value is 18. So let me actually refresh it again. The value is 19 in here, but once that line is executed, the value of alert number 2 is 18. So when I enter, you can see that the 18 value is there. So if you cannot see it, I'm extremely sorry because the text size is really small. Let's try to increase the size of it. Yeah, now you can see that, isn't it? So let me actually pull it back to actual size. Yeah, now it's working fine. So this is how you do various things, and I'm extremely sorry. This is not something, it's not a very bright topic in any programming language. The addition, normal, operators, explanation of those is like, okay, people would be knowing this. It's a normal mathematics in your life. So anyway guys, let's see in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Operators, we've covered it. There's something called as concatenation, and these are not the operators. So there's a bunch of more operators there which we'll be seeing later on, which is called as a comparison operators. Now these are mathematical operators, so arithmetic operators that I have just covered. So next video we'll be seeing about concatenation, and there's a lot of things in JavaScript that we're going to see. Well, thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and also subscribe to the channel, and also please share the video with your friends or anyone you think will be benefited by this video. And also, if you have any kind of comments, suggestions, feedbacks, or issues, please leave them in the comment section, or else you can contact me through the Facebook page, Twitter feed, or Google Plus page. Thank you for watching guys. Let's see you in the next video. See ya.